Welcome to another Godbrand Games HTML tutorial. Today we will be grabbing an image from across the web and putting it onto your HTML web page. For our examples, we're gonna use two Ben & Jerry images. Ben & Jerry, hope that's cool. Not, let me know. And we're gonna name as well as size the images as well. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's get into it. All right, so it's nothing crazy here. The syntax is just img source, and then I'll show you how to grab the image. But all right, I'll just do it step by step. Yeah. All right. So img source, that's the first part. That's the actual image address. So let's just grab that first. And first, well, instead of being selfish, let's do the dog one first. Alright, so I just right click on the image and then I do copy image address. Not copy image, copy image address. That's the difference. And then I guess I could make that full screen, but it's not that great making it full screen, so instead I just like erase it in chunks so I don't make a mistake or whatever. But I guess it at least has that capability if you want to. Alright, let's see what we got. So I paste it and we got it. It's right there. Our Ben & Jerry's doggy food, and we'll name it. So keep it in quotations once you actually grab the file. Alright, now it's gonna be easier to go full screen. Alright, so once you grab the file, the image address, excuse me. Hope y'all are having a great day today. Alright, so alt is where you name it. So you can just name this, I don't know, doggy ice cream. And while we're here, well, alt and put in quotations, and then it's width and height. It's not too crazy, so I didn't feel bad doing it like all in one step. But yes, so I'll change we'll come back and change it. But let's go back. All right, so first we're gonna run it, make sure the name change work, because you don't want to have an error in between changing the name and changing width, and especially if you're gonna like save it to GitHub or something. Like if you, I don't know, like I've controlled V twice after making like a small change like that and like messed up or like missed a file. So I strongly suggest. That's a long way around for saying I strongly suggest saving in between monumental changes like that. Alright, so make that 100 and 100, because last time when I was messing around with this, 200 and 300 I don't think it was that big of a change. Alright. So now that ice cream is 100 and 100. Muy pequeño. Alright. Out of here. Our second example. Again, you just right click and it's copy image address. Make it full screen. Make me probably smaller screen in a second. Alright. Boom. See if I got it right the first time. That's why I don't like not doing it, deleting it in chunks as well, because I got it right this time, but I don't know. I'm not banking on it. Alright, so that worked as well. You see that, and I'll see. We'll change the name. That'll be the last thing we do before we head out. Right now, it was me before, but now let's call this, I don't know, human ice cream, chocolate ice cream. How about that? Human ice cream. You don't want to eat your dog's ice cream, I guess. I don't. You tell me. You seen that lady, video of a lady who ate those like dog biscuits or whatever because they looked exactly like it? Oh man. Anyways, all right. So we made the width here 500 and 500 after naming it. This website, by the way, is pretty good at saving your place. Like if I were to close this window, sometimes it saves my place, which is invaluable. So shout out to ide.geeksforgeeks.org. I'm rocking with y'all until I find a reason not to. Shoot. Anyways, so here's the large image, and that's it. Leave any questions in the comments and like and subscribe for more HTML goodness. Have a good one.